Hey guys, today we will be playing Battle Cast. We have not played some games in a couple of minutes, so let's get back into this. Okay guys, play, start. Start by doing so have 3 of these hearts. You're only gonna open 1 per game. Let's do this. First, let's do Nipple. Let's go here. And by the way, this is my rows of cats. I'm good at this game also. The games that are on my first page are the games that I'm best at. We can boost this because this is gonna be probably one of the most longest videos that I've made. Still not long, but come on. I'm gonna wait it out. Draft pack, yeah. Attack draft pack. Attack. Maybe in the next time we will do the hardest boss. We will do the boss. So we have those legendary dino open chest. What? No! You can get points before you can only get cats. Okay guys, this video might be just a big fail. Honestly, I think it is. Okay, let's go on upgrade. This should be upgrade. Back. So all of my cats are upgraded. Okay, let's see if there's anyone that is not at level 10. So we can upgrade him. Oh, this level 10 has a train. That's sick! Oh my. Oh, it's okay. Now we can level him. Okay, whatever. Let's play again. Let's see. Let's go in Shahar. Let's see. You're in the desert. You're there. Okay. I love the sound of this game. Just like this. Yeah, there is no. It's God Cat. Is it God Cat? I'm just waiting it out so the graphic is really look at how fast he kills the world. Oh, battle pack. Normally you see this in a battle. God, no, you really battle every single animal. It's not every single animal. They don't have critters. They have all the the more popular animals. And there is for the win! Yeah, baby. Let's open another one. My eyes are closed. What did I get? No! So bad. One more chance to get a good cat. In the meantime, let's go in the refrigerator. There's so many cats to unleash. Yes. Unleash the demons. Holy cow, my upgrade bar is going up. Okay, whatever. Did we get a... no. Where are the cats? Super rare cats or super? No. 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 Where is super rare? I have a gold cat. Do I have more? But I got this uber super rare. It's pretty cool. It's an ice cat. I don't know what is that little fairy thing on top of the ice cat, but I don't really care. I don't care because it's whatever. Got this. Then I got a lot. Gold cat is probably the thing. Oh no, we can almost do whatever, guys. We will do the last round of this game. We're gonna do it all the way here. We're gonna do it in the NASA. Let's go. We're starting. I know I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna speed it up. I'm waiting for giraffe. That's what I get. Look at how good the giraffe is. Look at they have a rhino. The crocodiles are actually they literally are like giraffe. They slam their heads a lot. The rabbits are weak for them, so they're like food. And so the giraffe cats, we're gonna say cow cats. Is the rhino, guys, we are safe. Is it dead? No, it's not. It's poking out of the crap. No. The seal is a menace. The seal is annoying. Shit. The seal is the most annoying thing in this game. It bites like a man. Get motorcycle cash. Yeah. Like him up. I need the glass. Die seal. Moon ass. Seal. Yeah, drag kill it. Chop. I don't know why the rage chop. When I get a lot of cats in this game, it's basically game over. Look at this. The giraffe cats are all cute. Smash that here. Wait, chat. This is so annoying. I just use this game as a Okay. But we are winning. We just need to think about winning. That's all Game over. Yeah. You can't see it, but I'm gonna pray. Please, Lord and Jesus, help me get a battle cat. What did I get? Are you actually kidding me? At least give me cat food or something. You're... You sound like an accident. Was I gonna upgrade? I completely forgot. Oh. That's one before the beauty.